everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name's Grace if you're new here, and today I'm going to be reviewing the new ABH Sultry Palette and also their new lip gloss set right here. I did swatches of those and I kind of reviewed them for you a little bit and just showed you what they look like on the lips. I hope you guys enjoy the video and let's just get into it. Packaging, 100% love. I feel like Bloom and Cyborg would be really pretty for like springtime. That'd be pretty for springtime, like those two shades together. Anyways, so I'm kind of just wanting to do like a neutral look with this because I'm kind of wearing like a bright yellow shirt, so like, and I have to go somewhere after this, so I kind of just want to be like neutrals. So. Packaging, 100%. Love the packaging, except for it kind of sheds a little bit. Kind of gets on your hands, which doesn't really bother me too much, but like, it's kind of annoying when you're doing like makeup and if you don't wipe off your hands before you do your foundation and like primer and stuff, like, not the best thing, but okay. I'm gonna prime my lids with the CoverGirl Lid Lockup Primer. For just to set that down, I'm gonna be using the shade Fresh right here. And there is kickback like always, but that's a given with ABH shadows, so I don't really care about that too much because I already know that it's gonna be like that. Now I'm gonna take the shade Twig right here, and I'm just gonna take my Anastasia brush that came with the palette. I'm just gonna put that in the crease. All right, now I'm gonna take the shade Birch, and I'm going to put that in the crease too with the same brush. I'm just going to take my Morphe M441 brush. Looks like this, just a basic blending brush. I'm just going to blend those shades together just to make sure we have a seamless blend. And for the next shade, I'm going to take Dystopian right here just to deepen out the outer corner. And I'm going to take my BH Cosmetics 7 brush to do that. Whoa, that's pigmented! Yeah, you just need like a little bit of this shade. People say that the black in this palette is really pigmented too. It's like one of the best blacks out there. Not gonna try that today, but I'll have to try it another time. To blend that out, I'm gonna take my Morphe M441 brush. I'm gonna add a little bit of that Birch shade in the crease a little bit more just to bring that back a little bit. I'm gonna take a little bit of Teak right here, and I'm going to use the other side of the Anastasia brush, and I'm just going to apply that to the lid. Let's see if it needs Fix Plus. It might. Yeah, it kind of does. Spray my brush with some Fix Plus. Ooh, pretty. Oh my god! So pretty. I'm going to take a little bit of the shade Cinder right here on the same brush, and I'm going to spray that too with the Fix Plus. I'm going to put that more on the middle of the eye, kind of blending that in with the Teak shade that we put on. Now I'm going to take the shade Pearl, and I'm going to apply that with the same brush and spray it like I have been doing. I'm going to apply that more towards the inner corner of the eye and blending that in with the other shimmer shades that we just put on. This is how the eyes turned out so far. I'm going to go do the rest of my makeup and I'll come back and we can finish up the eyes, review these lip glosses that I got. These are also in the holiday edition collection, so I wanted to review these for you guys too. Alright, so I'm back with all my face makeup on, and now we're just gonna finish up the eye makeup and put some of those lip glosses on, and I will swatch them for you too. So yeah. So I'm gonna take my Morphe M507 brush. Looks like this. It's the one that I use all the time to blend out my lower lash line. I'm going to go in with the shade Birch right here on that brush, and I'm just going to smoke that out under the lash line. And now I'm going to go in with the shade Bloom right here. It's that pink pop of color in the palette. I thought that would be cute just to put like under the lash line and give it a pop of color. Now I'm going to take the NYX Wonder Pencil in Light. It's just like a nude eyeliner, and I'm going to apply that in my waterline just to make the eye look a little more light and airy and bring some lightness back into the look and brighten up the eyes a little bit. And now I'm going to apply some inner corner highlight with my Amrezy highlight by ABH, and I'm going to apply that with my NYX contour brush just on the inner corners and brow bone. Looks poppin'. I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply my Tarte mascara. I'm just gonna apply my NYX lip pencil in Nude Suede Shoes just to have like a base for the lip glosses to go on. Why did I put a lip liner on? That's the point of swatches. Oh well, this is what you're getting. First I'm gonna swatch this one for you. That's so pretty. Now this is with a lip liner, so Sorry about that, didn't really think of that. Now I'm gonna swatch this shade right here. It's kind of like a iridescent shade. Looks like it has like pink glitter in it, so it's pretty, but I think these need lip liners. But I'm just doing this for the sake of the video. Probably won't wear them by themselves, but this is actually really pretty. A little chunky though. That's the only downside of this one. Now I'm gonna swatch this goldish one that has like a hint of blue and bronze pink glitter in there. Looks really pretty. This smells so good. It smells like vanilla. Oh my gosh, it smells like cupcakes. I think it'd be a pretty topper for like any lipstick, to be honest. Probably like a brown nude. That would look really pretty. For like any holiday look, I mean, obviously it's a holiday edition lip gloss, so I think this is perfect for the holidays. I really like this one. Now these lip glosses, they're a little chunky, but if you don't mind that, I totally recommend, and yeah, I really like these. And this is the last one to swatch. It's kind of like a pearly iridescent shade, kind of like holographic. Alright, so I decided to go with the pink glittery one and the NYX lip liner. So I like that combo out of all of them, to be honest. But I really like all of them. They're so cute and really nice for the holidays. Very festive and very glittery, which is the whole point of the collection, I think. I didn't pick up the liquid lipstick set thing that they had because I didn't really think that I was going to wear the liquid lipsticks that much. I don't really wear liquid lipsticks that often, which is kind of surprising. I wear glosses a lot, so I thought I would use this set a lot more, and the colors just looked really pretty to me, so I decided to pick these up instead. But yeah, I really like these and I'm excited to wear them for the holidays. And for the eyeshadow palette, I really enjoyed this like I do with all of the ABH eyeshadow palettes. I love them all. I love the formula of her shadows, and yeah, always a hit with that. I'm excited to create some more looks with that eyeshadow palette for the holidays, and I totally recommend. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, don't forget to thumbs it up, and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on the bell to get notified when I upload, and I will see you next time in my next video.